Ginseng has long been used around the world for its natural medicinal properties and health-promoting abilities. It is loaded with active and unique compounds, such as ginsenosides and gintonin. You can add ginseng to your diet by consuming it raw, adding it to recipes, or adding it to hot water and consuming ginseng tea. Before consuming ginseng, discuss with your medical practitioner to make sure it is right for you. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming ginseng regularly. First, consuming ginseng can help to reduce inflammation throughout the body and is well known for its anti-inflammatory properties. This is often attributed to the unique compounds it contains, as well as its high levels of antioxidants. Ginsenoside compounds and the many ginseng extracts can help to reduce inflammation within the cells, while also increasing antioxidant capacity. It can also help to increase antioxidant enzyme activities and reduce oxidative stress and free radicals. Consuming ginseng regularly can also help to boost the immune system and reduce the risk of developing certain diseases and infections. Extracts found within ginseng can help to produce and increase antimicrobial compounds that work to eliminate and fight bacteria that can lead to infections. It can also help to eliminate free radicals and toxins that can compromise the immune system. Ginseng can also have benefits for those individuals suffering with diabetes or those who are at risk of developing the disease. This is because studies have shown that ginseng can help to lower blood sugar levels for those individuals with type 2 diabetes. It can also help to improve insulin sensitivity while also helping to regulate blood glucose levels. It can also help to naturally boost energy levels throughout the day and reduce fatigue. This is often attributed to its good levels of compounds such as oligopeptides and polysaccharides that can increase energy production in the cells. This has been shown to have positive effects on both physical and mental fatigue. Also, consuming ginseng regularly can help to enhance physical activity. Lastly, consuming ginseng regularly can help to improve overall brain function and reduce the risk of developing cognitive disorders, such as Alzheimer's disease. Ginseng can help to stimulate brain cells while also improving cognitive activities, memory, and concentration. Studies have also found that ginseng can have positive effects on brain function for those individuals suffering with Alzheimer's disease. Always discuss with your medical practitioner for further treatment and prevention methods in this regard. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.